I remember the first time I had seasoned food, real food. After years of trays and no choices, it felt like I was holding freedom in a spoon. And at first, I didn't know even how to cook, even for myself. Learned from other different people. So I remember what my mom would make. I was just used to like to surviving, and I forgot how to truly like, nurture myself. So I stood in my kitchen, staring at like different seasonings and like I was a stranger. So, but little by little, I started to putting love in my food again, in my meals, so I can eat right, so I can stay alive, survive. And I started feeding myself to heal, which is like the real nourishment of everything. So freedom isn't always loud, right? Sometimes it feels like onions. I'm sorry, sometimes it smells like onions and peppers and olive oil. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So healing can taste like freedom. And so what? So my little CTA said, what was the first meal for you that made you feel like home? So let's talk about it in the comments. All right. Peace.